Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to set up or change hold pickup locations. First, I will show you how to set up the default hold pickup location in a Patron account. Start by going to the Edit tab in the Patron account. Scroll down until you see User Settings. In the Default Hold Pickup Location fields, you will type PBPL, and then you can choose between main, Rigil, or Rigil lockers. Click on the branch that you would like to choose and hit Save. Next, I will show you how to change the hold pickup location on a previously existing hold. Go to the Holds tab, right-click on the holds, hit Edit Pickup Library, and from there you can change the pickup location to main, Rigil, or Rigil lockers. Next, I will show you how a patron can change their hold pickup preferences from the My Account side on the library website. From the library website, they will choose My Account and log in. Once they are logged in, they will go to Account Preferences, choose Search and History Preferences, and find the preferred pickup location. They can choose between main, Rigil, or Rigil lockers, and then hit Save. This has been a tutorial on how to set up and change hold pickup locations. Thank you.